Hello guys, my name is Osadolo. You guys know me already. So I'm an illustration designer and also digital artist, which I design. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a test portrait. Wow, is that not exciting? So, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still begging you guys out there, so subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's go and do this test portrait. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back. So let's do it. Just click there and go to your brightness and contrast and increase the contrast and reduce the brightness. The reason why I'm doing this because of the test, so that will show more effect, which is the shadow and every other thing. So go to your filter, go to your blur, go to your Gaussian blur and make it 3 is okay because of the resolution of the picture. So if your resolution is high, so you will need to blur the pictures because of the test, so that will not have those rough edges on it. So then you save your blur picture, which is you go to save and you save it. We'll leave that for now. So then we press Ctrl Z, go back to the normal image, Ctrl Z. So then you go click your text, just paragraph, and just put it all over. Then you go to your folder, maybe your Microsoft Word, where you have the test already, maybe a book. Just copy the test, which is okay. Copy the test and go back to the profile, just paste. So click it again and just keep pasting it in, till food the portrait. So sorry about that. So keep pasting. Then you highlight everything and go to the paragraph. So just keep making it just make it in a way that, because the reason why I'm doing this right now is that I think if the text is too big, the image will not come out well. But if the text is small, we will bring the image out and also bring the text that people can read the text. You understand? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to adjust it. I'm trying to make the text small, not too big, and make the space in between okay. So yeah. So once you are done, what you need to do, just wait to click OK. Click OK and go to filter again, go to desktop and go to display. Then make it smart object, convert to smart object, and make it 10 over 10. Just make it 10 over 10. Then you go to your save file you saved before and just open it. So there you go, and just move the image upward and power clip inside. Then create a new layer, a new folder. Then you go back into it and just apply the color you want, maybe black, or you can turn it to dark red. Especially let it be dark, let the color be dark, so but it will be red, but dark red or dark blue, your choice. You understand? So that is all. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell and then leave a comment for the next thing you want me to do. So guys, stay safe. Peace.